Alrighty, let's see. Hi everybody. I'm going to show you how to log into Clever, and that's going to take you to Seesaw. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the Syracuse City School District website, which is this guy right here. You're then going to go to About and scroll down to Libraries. Click on that. And then right over here on the left side, you're going to scroll all the way down to this good old Clever, which is right here, right there. And then right here is where you are going to put your child's information. So we're going to log in. I'm going to log in my buddy Michael. Oops. If it'll let me log in. I'm going to hit next. I don't know why that's not working. Huh. Huh. Let's see if that works. Oh, look there. Because you have to put in the whole entire thing. So you have to put at Syracuse City School District.us. That's good to know because I did not know that. So you have to put the whole thing. Oh, perfect. All right. So then you're going to scroll down. Here is Zearn. So you can go there and play. I'm going to have to go onto Zearn and set a time limit of how long you can be on there, like lessons. So I still have to do that. This is Seesaw, and also you have Imagine Learning. So we have Zearn for math and Imagine Learning that you can do. If you scroll down more, there's all these other apps you can do. You can also do Dreambox. That's really fun to do. Learning A to Z. Those are fun. But for now, we're going to go to Seesaw. So you're going to click on Seesaw. Here comes. All right, so here is Seesaw. You are going to not click an art, but you're going to click on Stokowski's Kinders. And then here are all the activities. You see where the little bubble is? That's you're going to click activities, and here's all the activities that I have posted for today. So you can do all these activities. You could try the boom cards. I think I fixed it because it wasn't working before, but if not, I'll go on there and try to fix it. But there's all your activities, and then you just complete them and send them to me. And that's that. So I'll be posting activities every single day while they are on quarantine. And hopefully get some videos of myself in there so they can still see me. All right, if you have any questions, please just message me. Just send me a message on good old Talking Points. And that's about it. Bye, everybody.